Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about the iPhone features. So Korean or K-pop is quite popular these days, and one of you could be curious how the way you can type in a Korean language, right? You also possible to do that with your iPhone. How to do that? You just need to open the settings. Right after that, you just need to scroll all the way down, and then you just need to tap into the general. In this general, you need to scroll down again until you got the keyboard. Now we need to get the Korean keyboard so that we can get the Korean alphabet on our keyboard. The next, you just need to tap into the keyboard and then go click add a new keyboard right here, and then you just need to type into the search button here Korea, and then you just need to go click it and pick either you want to have the standard keyboard or 10 key. Standard could be helping you that much. Now you just need to go click done. And whenever you already got this keyboard, you just need to try it on. How the way you do that, open your Apple Notes and then create the new notes. And the next is just tap into these cursors and then take a look on this side. There will be like a globe icon. You just need to tap it into several times until you got this Korean alphabet or characters on your keyboard, and then you can just start typing with the Korean. It will help your Korean skills that much. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again in
Time to
other
charge.
tutorial.